Dr. Nykiel.
Shiv,
What's the ideal weight for BBLs?
a little bit of a tricky question, right? So the first thing to that is I think we talk about like what's normal and what's not normal. So again, trying to do a BBL on anyone I think that's got less than like an 18, 19 BMI is probably really unlikely. 18 to 19 would definitely push you way in that skinny category. And typically, we're not going to do a BBL anyway with a BMI over 32. That's usually our cutoff. Now, once you're inside that, that's a big range. We generally want you to be at the weight that you want to look like. So, because we can actually body contour just better at that weight and shape and sculpt you. In the BBL, I'd say the lipo is really 90% of this operation. The fat transfer is roughly about 10%. And that gets into the interesting sort of thing is, what is your goals? If your goals are, hey, I just have some hip dips I want to fill in, then really what we do people's hip dips, we're really only putting about like somewhere between 300 cc's per side, which means we probably got to get a total of about 1 liter of fat off of you to get that down and get some good healthy fat. And that's not a lot. So for those people, actually, we don't need a ton of fat. Now, if you were to say, well, I want my whole butt, and naturally look at, you got a sort of a wider buttock, well, we're going to need more fat. And so for those people, we'll say, well, we need that weight a little bit higher. So not the greatest answer. It's got to be somewhere between 18 to 32. Closer to what you want to look like, and it depends a little bit on your goals.